Sex-linked or X-linked, they both mean the same thing. They have different terms for them. And X-linked, they are, remember I showed you guys at the beginning all the different chromosomes. There's 22 normal chromosomes. Then there's a pair of sex chromosomes that determine whether you're a man or a woman. Well, X-links are their traits found on the sex chromosomes. And most of the time, it's going to be on the X chromosome. The Y chromosome doesn't have too much stuff on it. And the other thing I want to put for here is, if you are a man, what's your genotype going to be for your sex chromosomes?
XY.
You got it, XY. If you are a woman, what does your genotype have to be?
Is it XX?
XX. So the first thing we're going to do every time is we have to include the X and the Y to determine whether it's a boy or a girl. Okay, so that's always going to be on our sex-linked traits. Then we're going to talk about the traits. So another time we're going to have 2 letters. And we're going to look at baldness. Baldness is a recessive sex-linked trait. And we're going to take the first parent, parent 1, a bald man. And the parent 2, a heterozygous woman. So I told you what they look like. Now we're going to put in their genotype. So the parent 1, what would his genotype be? First off, what would make him a man? What letters would I have to put there to make him a man? To make him a man. X, XY. That's what makes him a man. Nothing else makes him a man. That Y chromosome makes him a man. What makes her a woman? XX. Make her a woman. Now I'm going to deal with this bald gene. He's bald, which is recessive, so lowercase b equals bald. Uppercase B is non-bald. What's his X chromosome going to have? Lowercase b or an uppercase b? Why lowercase? He's bald, so he's got the bald gene. How about the woman? What is she going to have? And she's got one of each because she's heterozygous. Now, we're always got to use the X and Y to determine if they're a man or a woman, but then the other letter is up to you guys. Choose which one you want to do. So we'll look at their kids. What's going to go on top?
X and KSB.
Right, so his bald gene and his man gene. On the other side will be her non-bald gene and her bald gene. And we'll fill in the boxes. What's going to go in this box? Josh? Mm-hmm. What is this going to be, a boy or a girl? The 2 X's make it a girl. Is it going to be bald or not bald? Not bald, because it's a recessive gene, she's homozygous, so she's not going to be bald. This one will be X little b, X little b. What's this one going to be? A bald what? Or a girl. Yeah, bald girl, but women can go bald. This guy is going to be a non-bald male, and this is going to be a bald male. So I wind up with My genotype gets a little more complicated here. I have one heterozygous woman. I have one homozygous recessive woman. I have one non-bald man and one bald man. And then the last part is our phenotype. What's this kid gonna be? You just said it, Ashley?
Bald.
Bald what? No, it's not bald because she's got the dominant, which is non-bald.
Non-bald.
Non-bald what?
Heterozygous.
Woman or boy?
Woman.
Non-bald woman. What's this one gonna be?
A bald.
A bald woman or woman? What's this gonna be? Colin? Non-bald man. And Rebecca? A bald man. That's it.